Alrighty, looks like we're at the Dallas Fire Rescue Department Training and Logistics Center. 2012 Challenger, doing the oil pressure sensor. We're out here. So the upper intake has to come off, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. Alright, so we got all the outside bolts off. These, you also got to get this one bolt here. There's another nut making on this side. The camera's gonna get the flipping.
Yeah.
Alright, and then you take off some of these little disconnected here. You got this, and then you got 3 bolts that go in between here. If you're wondering why it's still holding the thing on, as you can see, one there. And so on, and you got another one on this far back side. I'll show you that in a sec. 3/8 didn't fit in there good, so you're gonna want to use a 1/4 and a 1/4 millimeter 8 to get off in there. Break those loose. All right, so we got one more. This bracket right here has to come off. The side bracket. And what's holding it on is this nut right there. I'll guide you. I'll guide you. Oh God. Okay, the oil pressure sensor, it's the oil cooler. It should be sitting in the back over here. Alright, big dog.
You have to take that out.
No.
It's under this.
Yeah, I know. Alright, intake, lower intake is coming off. Alright, so we got the lower intake up, propped up with this screwdriver. So this is going to be the temp sensor, and the oil pressure sensor is actually underneath it, right back here. But the customer actually got the wrong sensor. It's probably for a different size motor, so we're going to see what they want to do.
It's supposed to be this bottom one.
Yeah, bones, yeah.
But it's not compatible even with this top one.
So we're gonna see what the deal is. Had to get a couple parts. The right one. The last one was the wrong one. We're cleaning up the maiden surfaces for the new gaskets that we just put on the lower part of the intake, and we already got the new oil pressure sensor down bottom. And then we got a new temperature sensor up top. So we're gonna go ahead and get this.